Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Guys, a lot of them who come to me for counseling when they are really depressed and sad and stuff like that, many times I just ask them to, pen me down their day, their schedule, how do they plan, what do they do, and all of that. 95% of the time, let me tell you, people don't know. They don't have a planned day. They don't know what they have to do. They don't have an organized pattern. That's like the first step to carrying stress and to getting stressed going forward. So, today I'm just going to tell you Eisenhower's matrix of doing things. It's a very simple thing, and if you just follow this bit of it, you're sorted and you'll be able to segregate your work and do it and plan it and get the whole thing organized and done accordingly. So let me just tell you, the first thing that it goes and it says is the most urgent and the most important thing that you think according to your to-do list is something that you need to do. Put your time, mind, everything, and you do it. So that's your do. The second point is not so urgent but important, that you can schedule because it doesn't have an urgency but it's an important task, so that you can schedule for a later period of time. So that can wait but has to be done again by you at the same time. The third one they say is something that's urgent but not important, that you can delegate because it's urgent, but then if it is not really important for you, somebody else can also do it, so you can delegate that work. So that again from your to-do list is a tick. And the last one, which says something that you can easily delete, is something that is neither urgent nor important, that can be simply deleted off your task list. So try following these four Eisenhower's matrix, which I follow when I make my to-do list. So I always plan what I need to do, what I need to schedule, what I need to delegate, and what has to be deleted. So it kind of helps you to sort out your entire work and then get started and get going and have a peaceful mind and a peaceful day. Do get into a habit of planning your day before you go to bed the previous night, so that you're more sorted in your head and you're not messed up. You don't know what you have to do, where you have to do, and how you manage your time. So do be thoughtful about it and just give it a try and give it a thought. Do let me know how it worked with you. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying